Timberland boots are iconic footwear known for their rugged style and durability. Originally designed for outdoor work, they have become a fashion staple. With their distinctive yellow boot and premium leather construction, Timberland boots offer both fashion and function, making them a timeless choice for urban and outdoor settings. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Timberland Pierrot Men's Summit 6 in Composite Work Boot. A pinnacle of durability and safety in the workplace. These boots are engineered to meet the demands of tough job environments while keeping you comfortable. Crafted with premium full-grain leather, they provide both rugged durability and a polished appearance. Featuring a composite safety toe, they offer superior protection without the weight of traditional steel toes, ensuring you stay agile on your feet. The anti-fatigue technology and cushioned insole keep you energized throughout long workdays, while the slip-resistant outsole offers stability on a variety of surfaces. Whether you're working on construction sites or in industrial settings, the Timberland Pierrot Summit Work Boot is your reliable partner for safety and comfort. Elevate your work experience with Timberland Pierrot and step into every day with confidence. Number 9. Timberland Men's 6-inch Premium Waterproof Boot, a timeless icon that combines style and rugged performance. These boots are crafted to withstand the harshest conditions while keeping you fashion-forward. Made with premium full-grain leather, they offer unmatched durability and a classic look that never goes out of style. The waterproof construction ensures your feet stay dry and comfortable, no matter the weather. With padded collars and anti-fatigue technology, these boots provide all-day comfort and support, making them perfect for urban adventures or outdoor escapades. The iconic lug outsole offers exceptional traction on various surfaces, giving you stability and confidence with every step. The Timberland 6-inch Premium Waterproof Boot is more than footwear. It's a symbol of quality, versatility, and enduring style. Elevate your wardrobe with Timberland and step out into the world with confidence and flair. Number 8. Timberland Men's Garrison Trail Runner, the perfect fusion of style and functionality for your active lifestyle. These shoes are designed to keep you moving comfortably through any adventure. Crafted with a mix of durable leather and breathable mesh, they offer the ideal combination of support and ventilation. The ortholiter insoles provide exceptional cushioning and moisture-wicking properties, ensuring your feet stay fresh and comfortable all day long. The Gripstickum rubber outsoles deliver superior traction on a variety of terrains, allowing you to confidently tackle trails and urban streets alike. The Timberland Men's Garrison Trail Runner is not just a shoe. It's a versatile statement of your readiness for anything life throws your way. Step into style, step into action, and embrace your next journey with Timberland. Number 7. Timberland Women's Courmayeur Valley W6 in with Shearling. A perfect blend of style and warmth for the modern explorer. These boots are designed to keep you fashion-forward while braving the elements. Crafted with premium waterproof leather, they provide unbeatable protection against rain and snow. Lined with luxurious shearling, they offer both comfort and insulation to keep your feet cozy in cold weather. The cushioned ortholiter insoles provide all-day support, and the rugged lug outsole offers excellent traction on various terrains, ensuring you're ready for urban adventures or winter walks in the woods. The Timberland Women's Courmayeur Valley WP6 in with Shearling is more than just footwear. It's a statement of your style and a commitment to embracing the great outdoors with elegance and warmth. Step into the season in style with Timberland. Number 6. Timberland Men's Earthkeepers 6 Boot, a timeless classic that combines sustainability with rugged style. Crafted with eco-conscious materials, these boots not only look good, but also do good for the planet. The premium full-grain leather upper comes from a sustainable tannery, ensuring both durability and responsible sourcing. Featuring anti-fatigue technology and a cushioned insole, these boots offer all-day comfort and support, making them perfect for both work and play. The lugged outsole provides excellent traction on various surfaces, while the padded collar enhances ankle comfort. Timberland's Earthkeepers 6 Boot isn't just footwear. It's a statement of your commitment to both style and environmental stewardship. Number 5. Timberland Pierrot Men's Gridworks Mock Soft Toe Waterproof Industrial Boot, a powerful combination of rugged durability and all-day comfort for demanding work environments. These boots are designed to keep you safe and comfortable during long hours on the job. Constructed with premium full-grain leather, they offer exceptional strength and are waterproof to keep your feet dry in any condition. The anti-fatigue technology and cushioned insole provide superior support, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. With a slip-resistant rubber outsole, these boots offer stability and traction on various surfaces, ensuring your safety. Timberland Boots' Gridworks Mock Soft Toe Waterproof Industrial Boot is more than footwear. It's a reliable partner for those who work hard and need the best protection in demanding environments. Step into the future of workwear with Timberland Boots and stay comfortable, safe, and productive every day. Number 4. Timberland Boots Men's Ridgework Mid-Composite Safety Toe Waterproof Industrial Work Boot. The ultimate blend of rugged protection and all-day comfort for the hardest working professionals. These boots are engineered to tackle tough job sites without compromising on comfort. Crafted from premium full-grain leather, they offer outstanding durability and are waterproof to keep your feet dry in challenging conditions. The anti-fatigue technology and cushion insole provide exceptional support, reducing fatigue and ensuring you can focus on your work, not your feet. With a non-marking, slip-resistant outsole, these boots offer stability and superior traction on various surfaces, guaranteeing your safety. Timberland Boots' Ridgework Mid-Composite Safety Toe Waterproof Industrial Work Boot isn't just footwear. It's a reliable companion for those who demand the best in safety and comfort on the job. Step into the future of workwear with Timberland Boots and stay protected and productive throughout your workday. Number 3. Timberland Boots Men's True Grit Work Boot, a testament to rugged strength and unwavering performance for those who take on the toughest jobs. These boots are built to withstand the harshest work conditions while keeping you comfortable. Crafted from premium full-grain leather, they offer unmatched durability and resistance to wear and tear. The Timberland Boots rubber outsole provides excellent traction on various surfaces, ensuring stability and safety even in slippery environments. These boots also feature an antimicrobial lining to keep odor at bay and a cushioned footbed for all-day comfort. Timberland Boots' True Grit Work Boot isn't just footwear. It's a symbol of your dedication to getting the job done, no matter the challenge. Step into the workday with confidence and resilience, powered by Timberland Boots. Number 2. Timberland Boots Ascender Work Boot, the pinnacle of strength, durability, and style for those who demand the best in their workwear. These boots are meticulously designed to excel in the toughest work environments while keeping you looking sharp. Crafted from premium full-grain leather, they offer exceptional durability and a polished appearance that stands up to the harshest conditions. The Timberland Boots rubber outsole provides top-tier traction on various surfaces, ensuring stability and safety even in challenging terrains. With anti-fatigue technology and a cushion insole, these boots provide superior support and comfort for long days on the job. Timberland Boots Ascender Work Boot isn't just footwear. It's a statement of your commitment to both performance and style, setting you apart as a true professional. Step into the workday with confidence and elegance, powered by Timberland Boots. Number 1. Timberland Boots Helix HD Work Boot, the epitome of durability, comfort, and safety for the dedicated professional. These boots are meticulously engineered to thrive in demanding work environments without compromising on your comfort. Crafted from premium full-grain leather, they offer unparalleled strength and resistance to wear and tear. The Timberland Boots rubber outsole provides exceptional traction on various surfaces, ensuring stability and safety even on slippery terrain. With the exclusive anti-fatigue technology, these boots provide superior support and cushioning, reducing fatigue during long workdays. Timberland Boots Helix HD Work Boot isn't just footwear. It's a symbol of your unwavering commitment to excellence in your job. Step into each workday with confidence, knowing you're equipped with the best in durability and comfort, courtesy of Timberland Boots.